with the presentation. My name is Galina, and we're with Constructly. At Constructly, we work with developers and institutional investors who invest in real estate, and we provide IT solutions. Our IT solutions help them gather real-time independent data that they use for making timely decisions. Why is this important? Right now. So we work with investors, and usually investors want to know answers to very, very simple, basic questions. So what is the status? When will it be finished? How much more money should I invest? And right now, it's impossible for them to get answers to those very simple questions because construction is very complex. There are a lot of things going simultaneously. And the problem is there's no way to get real-time data. Even if you invest millions of dollars and a lot of time and actually get an ERP system, you're still lagging 1 month behind. That's the best you can do right now. And even if you get that information, the accuracy, the actual accuracy of that information is around 30 to 40%. Because due to human errors, because the information is being gathered from bottom up, so from the ground, so it's the contractors reporting to subcontractors, to consultants, and then to developers. And we work with developers, and they usually ask us, so what's the status? Where we are right now? And most importantly, when it's going to end? So we want to know the prognosis. And as you come to doctors, you get the analysis first, and then you get the prognosis. So here we're starting with basics, with getting accurate data. Of course, communication. There are a lot of people involved in the construction process, a lot of stakeholders, and all of them are running their own show. So it's very important to accumulate all the data in one place, to have one source of correct data. So this is, just imagine some sad music playing in the background. That's how construction is these days. And what we do is Constructly, we use artificial intelligence, AI, to gather real-time independent data from the ground that all stakeholders can use in order to make better decisions and build faster and meet their KPIs. So we do there are two solutions currently, one for exterior monitoring, and this way we have cameras placed throughout construction sites, cameras with computer vision. They get the feed, then we analyze with algorithms, and those algorithms show how the process is going. I'm going to show you, I think on the next slide. So we create very easy to use dashboards that actually communicate to managers, to developers as people. So there's AI processing a lot of complex data and then providing dashboards that are very easy to use. And for interior finishing, so we also do status progress tracking of interior finishings. We have people walking around with any smartphone, yours will always also do, and then we get a lot of video feed that we analyze with algorithms as well, and they provide really easy to use dashboards that also can be customized. So here how it looks. We have, for example, a very big building and all the things that are going on simultaneously. We analyze it, and then we're able to actually produce reports that are very easy to use. I'm going to show you with the video. So this is kind of how the camera sees and analyzes, all the parameters that we track, and then puts it, and this is actually how construction sites usually look, and then puts it in very easy to use dashboards that has just the numbers that you need, and those dashboards can be customized to each client and are customized at the moment to each client to the needs that they want to track. For example, it's floors, windows, and this one's the actual real-time data of interior finishings. The camera analyzes it, and also you see puts it in very easy to use data points that are understandable to any manager, whether it be developer, contractor, consultant, or anyone. So we have a very complex process involving a lot of people. We analyze all of this and create one source of data for all of these people to use and to actually organize their work better. So why is it important for developers or any investors? We actually have clients who are looking into this, who are institutional investors and investing in real estate. So for them, it's better to make decision-making, better to understand the status and the investment they were going to use. And also wanted to show you one of the case studies that we've done. When we started a year ago, we really needed to have a lot of data set, a lot of data. So the best way to do that is to have a developer who's doing a lot of projects. So we can actually start with one pilot and then roll out and have a lot of data to train our algorithms. So now we can actually analyze all those parameters. So we've run a project with them in 6 months. They reported a 12% increase in EBITDA, and that equals to around $50 million, which is not bad at all, in my opinion, and in their opinion as well. And so, but this one was delivered not because we did one pilot, but then we rolled out and we had several projects. So they were able to gain a lot of data from about all of their portfolio in order to make decisions across the portfolio. Why is this important? Because when you, for example, a lot of our clients, developers that work in Dubai, they work in Abu Dhabi, they work in Saudi Arabia, and they have investments spread out in different regions. But they have their head office is in Dubai, so they want to understand exactly what is happening, I would say, in their construction site in Riyadh. So with this solution, they're able to log into their dashboards from anywhere and understand the real status of their construction sites in order to manage the project better, in order to set the objectives for local developers, for local contractors that they're using, and actually create one source of data. So yeah, this is us. We are based in Dubai. We've been working since April. We're working mainly with developers, investors, but we are open. Here we had some interesting discussions with people who, for example, work as consultants with developers and also interested in providing the solution to their clients. So we're also open to these talks. We're here in the booth, so if you want to come by and check out the video, and here's my colleague Gleb, that you can also meet him at the booth. Thank you so much.